What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the Ford Ranger. Right now I'm at the car wash. It is wash day for the Ranger. Usually I clean it myself, but right now, if you can see at the bottom of the screen, it says 28 degrees. It was 25 earlier, and it's like 1 o'clock. As you see, like 1:40. So that's cold. Yeah, no hand wash today. It's been over a week. I like to keep the truck clean, so we're gonna go ahead and run it through the car wash. One wash was actually closed that I went to, so I'm at this one. I've been waiting in line for about 2-3 minutes now. Not sure if the machine broken up here or what, but they holding up the flow of traffic. But yeah, that's what we got going on, man. I will give y'all a walk around too, but like I said, it's so cold outside. Anyway, back to the Ranger, man. As you see, we are looking pretty sporty looking. We got 11,500 miles on the Ranger. Not bad at all. And yeah, that's where we're at. So hopefully they come on the line, man. They are taking all day. I'm talking about, like, really, I don't have too many cars out here. They only got like 3 cars. Yeah, if you see in the mirror, we got the Cadillac back there. What kind of, it's a little SUV Cadillac. See, hopefully they come on. So where we at? So no new updates for the Ranger. The app itself, you can start the truck up with your app on your phone. Yeah, that's been one of the updates. I gotta update that app. They keep telling me to update it. So, when things work, I wish they would leave it like it is. But they always trying to do updates for whatever reason. So, we'll check on that, man. These people are taking forever. I knew they were gonna be this long, man. I probably just waited. It say 3-minute express on that sign to the left up here, but there's nothing express about it because y'all taking all day, man. Okay, so now we pulling up. All right, so I gotta hit this wash, man. They be a little taxing, man. That's why I like doing it myself, because they be taxing a little bit. Let's see what they got on the screen. We're gonna hit that single wash.
Please select a car wash
$10
by pressing
for
one
a
of
wash.
the service buttons on the screen.
$16 if you want your wheels done.
Please select an upgrade. If you do not want an upgrade, press no upgrade.
Not today, man. No upgrade.
To
All right,
complete your
man.
purchase, please insert cash or card.
All right, I'm just hold y'all right here 1 second while I get this squared away.
You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead. And thank you again.
Oh man, they got over on me though. I accidentally hit the I didn't know it. I accidentally hit the freaking wrong button, man. So now they're gonna charge me an extra $6. Which is outrageous. Darn. It's all good, man. I rarely come through these things anyway, so part of the flow for the day. Sucks, but yeah. Hopefully it actually clean the wheels or whatnot. Hopefully they not just charge me $6 for some freaking spray, man. It's gonna suck. But we're waiting to go in, man. They tripping. I need to hurry up, man. We're gonna be gonna spend 20 minutes. It say 3 minutes on the sign. 3 minutes. And we've been here going on at least 7-8 minutes now. And we still gotta do the wash. I'm not even gonna worry about the vacuum today. I'll do that part another day, because I still have to detail the inside of the vehicle anyway, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Gotta detail the inside. It's time to put some nice cleaning on the shine on the dashboard, do the windows, all that good stuff, man. So that's where we at. Just 1 second, guys. Waiting on this truck. They just pulled up a little bit, so we next. We are next. Let's go ahead and whip this thing on around through the cones. Like I said, the other wash, it was closed. But don't pull up too close behind me, because I'll back up. So I'm just trying to make that time. Don't do that. Like, damn, I see me trying to back up something, bro. Got so close, man. Shout out to these people out here working in the cold, man, because I had to stop and get some fuel, man, and it was freezing. Now we at the wash, man. Now we at the wash. I heard the guys, they was like, this thing ain't even dirty. For me, it's dirty. You know, I seen, you know, most of the time the truck looked pretty clean. But for me, you know, when you like keeping your vehicle super clean, you know, you see the dirt that most people, you know, just look right over. So that's how it is, man.